The material is going to be there in the office this week. People must come out Mlazi, all over places. They do have a station at the office of Durban. So they should find the material to make you strong and your home. You take water to bath with. You put it in a bath. You take this material and half you put it in the bath and the other half must be left. You take out the nail that is inside. You take it out. You put it in the water to bath with. You put it in the water to bath with. This nail that is inside. You take half of the water. You put it in the water that you're going to bath with. You take out the nail and you put it in your bathing water. You wash the whole body, all the body, while the nail is inside. After you're done, you throw the water out. You take out the nail and you put it back inside. When you get home, whether you're in Johannesburg, find a bucket, 10-liter bucket. Put water. Take all the water that is left. You put it in a bucket. You take half from the beginning. Put it in the water where the nail is from the beginning. And you leave the half. The leftover half, you put it in the bucket where the nail will be inside. You spread the whole yard while the nail is inside. All the houses know while the nail is inside. When you are done, you take out the nail. You go to one house. You nail it on top. It makes you strong and your home.
Was told about 220.